Dear children, in this video you will learn about the Hindu Succession Amendment Act 2005. The Hindu Succession Act 2005 came into force from 9th September 2005. The Hindu Succession Act aims to amend and eliminate any gender discriminatory provisions in the Hindu Succession Act 1956 and to give the following rights to daughters under Section 6. First one, a daughter has the same right over paternal property and is allotted the same share as to a son. Second, the 2005 Act brings all agricultural land at par with other property and makes Hindu women's inheritance rights in land legally equal to men's across the states. Third, the 2005 Act includes daughters as corporationary or joint owners in the joint family property with the same birth rights as sons to share, to claim partition and share the liabilities. Fourth one, daughters will have the same rights as sons to reside in or seek partition of the family house. And fifth one, widows can claim and inherit the deceased husband's property even if they have remarried. Gender equality in matters of possession of agricultural land can empower women, increase their livelihood options, improve prospects of their education and health. Moreover, it can improve women's financial security by giving them birthright in property that cannot be taken away by men. Symbolically, all this shows that daughters and sons are equally important members of the family and discourages gender bias existing in our families and society. There are certain difficulties in implementing the Act 2005. To solve this, we need to separate literacy regarding the laws. Second, make efforts to increase social awareness of the advantages to the whole family if women own property. Provide legal and social aid for women seeking to assert their right. Thank you. Have a nice day.